They sent me, oh crap, I don't have it in here, huh? Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a haul, huge haul, and most of the stuff that I have in here, clothing. So yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from Stylewe.com. I already featured them in one of my hauls before, and nasabi ko sa haul na yun na yung shipping nila sobrang bilis. It's the same thing this time. The shipping was super fast. It did come in 2 packages, but still really fast. The separate package arrived the next day, so no problem at all. I'm gonna start with this one right here because it is still a little damp. I just recently washed it. Hindi pa siya fully dry. It's this hoodie right here that's really thick. I like it. I wore this on my previous vlog where we went bowling. The quality of this is just really good, you guys. It's really thick, and this is my new favorite hoodie. I like the color. I like the pockets right here. I like the hood. It fits me perfectly. This is in the size small, by the way. Okay, next one is this cardigan right here, and I just want to mention every piece of clothing is packed separately. Like they have their own kind of bag like that. This next one is a long knitted thick cardigan. This is in the size small as well. I'm gonna try this on and show you guys in separate clip because this will not give it any justice. But my favorite part is the pockets. It has huge pockets, 2 pockets. And then the last one from Stylewe is this jacket right here. This is the size small and it fits me perfectly, you guys. You will see I really like the color, and it's cropped as well, and it's really cropped on me. Like I always say on my videos that cropped clothing doesn't really look cropped on me because I'm really small, but this one is cropped. Not like super cropped though, but it's cropped. The quality again is superb. The detailing is just on point. It has full pockets in here, and then it also has zippers on the sleeves like so. And that's everything from Stylewe.com. Links will be below if you guys are interested. Next up are the stuff that I got from Gearbest. So first thing, I don't have it with me right now because Dan is using it. It's a mouse. If you watch my vlogs, you already have seen the mouse. It's the mouse that you can fold, so it's very convenient. It's very travel friendly. I like it, and he likes it as well, so that's perfect. And then I got brushes as well. I got a lot of brushes, as you guys can see. You can fold it like so, and you can take it with you wherever you want to go. Next thing from Gearbest is this bag right here. It has 3, I believe, 3 bags. Yep, if I remember it right, we'll see. So first thing is this one, the big one, and it has how many pockets? 2 pockets in the front and then 1 at the back. And then we have this, so it's a set of 3. The second one is this one, really simple. The last one is this purse right here. So yeah, you put your money in here or whatever you want to put in there. Another thing that I got from Gearbest is the hair straightener that I already featured in my favorites video. I already featured in my vlog. It's the cool hair straightener. You know what, let me just get it. My gosh, I'm so freaking lazy. This one I'm really happy about because this is my new favorite hair straightener. I featured this on my favorites video, but yeah, I got this from Gearbest. I like it. I did show on my vlog how I use it and all that ish, so if you haven't seen that, I will leave the link of that video below. And also the lighting that I have right now is from Gearbest.com. They have some pretty dang affordable videography or photography stuff in there. So aside from the lighting that I have, I also got this. I don't want to take it out from the packaging because it's literally just Stella na you can use for your background. I obviously don't have it on my background right now because our wall is white, so I'm fine. Another thing that I got from Gearbest is Monopod. Oh my gosh, this is the most legit and hardcore monopod I have seen in my entire life. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. This is really heavy. It's just a monopod, but it's a badass one. So yeah, it just looks like this, and you'll put your camera in there. and it will stand up and you can do your thing, whatever you want to do. LED video lighting right here. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a battery. When I got this, I was really excited to use it because I was like, oh my gosh, because you know, it's gonna be a lighting for my video. Though I'm not complaining with the lighting that I have right now. I think it's pretty lit right now. Pero I was just thinking this is gonna be perfect for traveling. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a battery. You need to buy your own battery. If I can find the battery, then I will buy one. I'm not sure, depende sa presyo. What I like about this is you can connect this to your camera, or if your camera doesn't have the horseshoe, is that what they call it? Whatever. If your camera doesn't have that, you can use a tripod or monopod, whatever you have, and put it behind the camera, and this can be your lighting. I haven't even showed you yet, I'm sorry. But it looks like that. If meron akong battery, it will light up. That's everything from Gearbest. And then next up is from fashionmia.com. The very first thing is the one I am wearing right now. I wore this in one of my vlogs, and you guys have been asking me where I got this cardigan. I got this from Fashion Mia. Let me stand and show you guys. Wait. So I'm not really sure if you can see, but this is the cardigan right there. I don't know if you saw that. I really like this cardigan. It's really thick. Tapos it keeps me warm, so that's perfect. Next thing from Fashion Mia is this jumper right here. It is an owl. It's so cute, and it has those fuzzy things that I call hairs. But yeah, I've washed this many times already, and the hairs are still there. Next jumper, this one I haven't used yet. Obviously, I still have the tag, but it has an owl again. It's not as thick as the other one, or not as thick as this. That's why I haven't really used it yet, because it's not as warm compared to the rest. But it looks like that. It's just a very simple gray jumper. This one I've worn in so many of my videos already as well, because I really like the color. It's just a very thin long sleeve top, and I like wearing it underneath cardigans or jackets, and again, I really like the color. Next one is another jumper. This I haven't really worn yet because of the sequins. I think it's just way too much. Feeling ko kapag naglakad ako sa labas, lahat titingin sa akin kasi sobrang sequined naman, over naman. On the website, it doesn't really look like this. It's really different from the website picture, as in sobrang different talaga. But yeah, marami siyang sequins, and I haven't really worn it yet. This one, I really like. I wore this on my vlog as well already, and then Instagram picture. This is definitely my favorite item from Fashion Mia. It looks like this. Wait, that doesn't really make sense at all, but it's just a jacket. It's a long, thick jacket. I was expecting that this one is like connected talaga sa jacket, pero hindi. Pero okay lang. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga details niya. Like, meron siyang patch in here. Tapos, ma-adjust mo rin yung sa bottom, so hindi siya super wide tingnan. And I'm really particular on stuff like that kasi nga sobrang liit ko na kapag sobrang wide siya tingnan sa baba, mas lalo akong lumiliit tingnan. So this one I like kasi na-adjust mo siya right there. This is the second to the last thing that I got from Fashion Mia. This is a really cute purse. Sobrang cute. Tapos meron pa siyang ganito. Meron siyang tail. I haven't really used it yet, but I can't wait to use it. So the inside looks like that. And then the last thing from Fashion Mia, and then just the last thing in general sa haul na to, is this purse right here. I have been using it already, and I don't really have that much kasi wala na akong pera. Wala na akong pera! Sobrang gusto ko lang siya. I have been using this. I like it because it's black, it's quilted, and it's just a really simple, nice looking purse. And that's everything, you guys. Again, all the links will be below. And also, I get this question a lot, like what's on your lips, what's on your nails. What's on my lips and what's on my nails is always in the description box below. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, and if you like hauls like me. And then please subscribe if you're not yet already. It's the red subscribe button below. If you click that, you will be notified of my videos daily. So that's great, right? Yeah. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye. And then another